Hello friends, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite. The name of the channel itself gives my college name. PC stands for Pune College, Geo is a geology department, Kimberlite is a source of diamonds, and through this channel we have been uploading videos on geology, NCC and scholarships, national as well as the international. So I have started now national scholarship because the dates are been announced and some of the dates have been expired. Last date has been over. So today we are going to discuss in this particular video a scholarship sponsored by Santur Women's Scholarship for 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, Pune College Arts, Commerce, Science, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I have 34 years of teaching experience, 20 years as an NCC officer. I have retired as a Lieutenant Commander from Team Maharashtra Naval NCC, and 10 years I've been working as a scholarship in charge. Now, keeping the track, most of the students are always asking me, sir, there is any scholarship is there available for this course, whether 11th standard to 12th standard, or whether graduation or medicine or pharmacy or Unani or engineering or diploma. So based on that, I thought, how can I approach to the student? But now due to the lockdown, we have started online lectures, and I myself, and thanks to the college principal and authorities, they have been conducted a number of workshops, and in that I have been OBS Studio. I have learned it out and how to make the videos and upload on the YouTube. And this is the way I have been thought I can share my experience. And I got a lot of information, and I'm going to, every time I'm sharing this information with the student free of cost, because it is not my right. So they have their own rights. So I have been visited Turkey, then I have visited Switzerland, I have visited Canada, I have visited US, and I visited Saudi also. So I have a wide exposure for the international arena. And similarly, the scholarships I have been regularly handling. So I thought this is the way I can approach to you. Though if you are eligible for this particular scholarship, you can apply. But if you don't eligible for this scholarship, then I'll give you a task that try to spread this message to students in your surrounding, in your family, or your relatives, or your friend circle, or in your group, that this is a scholarship which will be there for girls, those who have been wanted to do it their higher education without the financial crunch, they could not complete their education. So this is the Santur. He is giving a scholarship for the girls. So let's start wasting the time. So this is the scholarship which will be given only those girls who has passed 12th standard in the current year and support their various expenses related to the education. And this is especially for Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. So these three states, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, for these girls which are there from this particular vicinity is there, for them this is the scholarship will be given by the Santur. What is the eligibility is there for this scholarship? He has to pass the 12th standard education at the age will be 24 to pursue higher education in the industry, humanities, liberal arts, science, and award will be 24,000 per annum. What is the last date? The Santur's Women's Scholarship will be valid. The session 2021 has been released by Wipro, the CARE, as per the terms and condition. It will be 3rd week of August. Still time is there, and the result of the same will be announced in September 2021. And the website is https://www.examplanner.in/scholarship/santur-woman-scholarship/. So this is the website where they can start filling the form, and they have to apply for this scholarship. Santur scholarship last date that has been already we ended, that is started August, and the ending will be there in the last date will be 15th August, and publication of the result will be there on September 21, and the official website santurscholarship.com. Application fee for 2021, there is no registration fee. What is the eligibility criteria for 2021? Candidate must be a resident of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. He must be 10th standard pass, and that from a government recognized school. Must be complete her 12th or intern or PUC. PUC means that will be the 12th standard. They have been called in the Karnataka in the year 2021 from a government school. How to apply? Those candidates who wish to apply for the Wipro Cares Santur Scholarship 2021, they fill the application form as instructed here, and to progress the same further post the field application form below provided postal address. They can fill the form and take the printout, and they can upload also, or they can directly download and fill the form, and offline they can submit it out. The application form must be preferably filled in English language. Fill all the dates in block letters. Must use either black pen or gel pen. Attest one recent passport size color photograph. Documents are required to attest along with the application form. 2 pages of the applicant's bank passbook. Make sure bank account should be in the name of applicant. Note, account should be held in Grameen banks. Yes, here they have been specifically mentioned for the Santur scholarship. You have to open an account in Grameen bank. Applicant's Aadhaar card, 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet. Now post the field application form below given address. The given address also that will be there. We'll see that also is. If you are preparing to fill the form online, visit the website of the Santur scholarship program, apply online, register anew with Facebook, Gmail, another email, read important information, start filling application with the personal, academic and references detail, fill the declaration form, write an essay about 600 words describing yourself, why scholarship is important to you. Lastly, submit the form. Visit the official Santur website offline if you are there. Read the eligibility application, scholarship amount, deadline. Scroll down and click down the application form link. Take a printout of the form, fill all the details, and send the form via courier before the deadline to the official address. Wipro Care Santur Scholarship, Doda Kanneli, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore 560035, Karnataka. What are the essential documents for this? Recent passport size photograph, for one is required. Copy of Aadhaar card, a copy of 10 mark sheet, copy of 12 mark sheet, certificate of a copy of the candidate's bank passbook, other than the Grameen bank if it is there. Contact address, contact detail is given. Phone number 011-403-92248, extension 121, or +91-733-7835-166. All these information I am going to give you in the description so that you don't have any problem. So whenever you want, you can go over there, or directly you can go on the portal and see the detail. Any application that does not meet the provided criteria will be rejected. The Wipro Care owns the sole right for offer scholarship as well as to make changes or withdraw or reject the scholarship without specifying any reason. No other organization agency is authorized to make an offer related to Santur. Yes, that is clear. So this is the way you have to make out the application and complete and submit on or before the deadline which is given. I hope it is clear.